Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so stylish and trendy ideas of pixie haircut in short hair. With beautiful hair dye, very attractive and stylish hairstyling, and many much more. Beautiful and trendy designs, ideas of pixie haircut in short hair with beautiful hairstyle and very attractive eye-catching hair dye for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about hair dye. Blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde. Lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde. Gold blonde. And other shade of dye, burgundy color, black color, grey color, and so beautiful ideas of funky colors. Some ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in ash color with dark base color, and some ideas in funky colors with light base color, and so beautiful ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, and different type of cuts. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and some collection with bang, chin length bang, nose length bang, and so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hair hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling. Some ideas wave and curl naturally, and some ideas make curl with curler. Spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. And so attractive collection of pixie haircut in short hair with beautiful hair dye, hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look very cute, and you look very sweet. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So fan, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.